So we're gonna get right into the video. This is the final installment of my Taco Tuesday series that I did on Instagram. I did a live every Tuesday showing different types of plant-based tacos. And today we are making barbecue pineapple tempeh tacos. To be honest, I don't have too much experience with tempeh, and the experiences I do have, they were in a restaurant and they weren't that seasoned or tasty. So I'm stepping it up a notch with my tempeh, and the brand is Light Life. Has 18 grams of protein, which is good. So I had already chopped up some of the white onion and some mushrooms from my last Taco Tuesday that I still had. Pretty much just start crumbling it like ground turkey or ground beef. And then I added some soy sauce to give like a darker, smokier look. And then I'm adding my barbecue sauce. And I used this with the mushroom tacos last week. And I really like this barbecue sauce. I found it at Vallarta's, which is out here in Southern California. And I just love this barbecue sauce. And it took me a while to pick it out because I was just reading the ingredients. And so many barbecue sauce had high fructose corn syrup, among other things. So now we're going to get into the pineapple. I am using canned pineapple this time, but I would prefer fresh. I just had this random can that I'm like, let me just go ahead and use this because I don't know what else I would need it for. Don't really remember why I bought it. So I'm just going to go ahead and season it. Got my Himalayan pink salt. And then I have my black pepper. Just light seasoning because we already have the flavor with the pineapple and the barbecue sauce. And I got some garlic powder. I also added some of the pineapple juice to it. So just mixing it. Getting it all good. You see it's darkening up a little bit, which is good. Gives it like that meaty look. So we're going to wrap that and put it in the fridge. Now we're moving on to our fresh salsa. I am cutting up the tomatoes. I used 2 tomatoes. I believe these were Roma tomatoes, and I love how juicy they got. So got my tomatoes going. Still had some leftover onion, white onion, and then I just cut up a little bit of red onion. Got my cilantro, my jalapeno, got the lime, seasoned it with the same seasonings, and just look at the colors. Look how fresh and beautiful. I love seeing colors on my plate. No beige plates in this house. So I'm just going to go ahead and warm up some avocado oil to get these onions together. I love onions, so I'm also adding some sauteed onions to the mix. Added in a couple of pineapple slices, which is going to be so good. Now I'm adding in my meat, quote unquote, adding in the barbecue tempeh and pineapple mixture. And you're just going to warm it up. I will also say to let your tempeh marinate as much as possible to soften it up. And I also say to cook it down as much as possible. And I noticed that it expanded the longer I cooked it. Then I would cook it on low for a while as much as possible, just to get the tempeh to open up. Because they're beans, they're soybeans, so get them to open up more. And that's literally how easy it is. We're putting it together, we're adding the tempeh, got the salsa, got my avocado, of course, got my vegan cheese, topping it with more cilantro and lime. And y'all, that's it. Once everything's marinated, it's literally going to take 15-20 minutes, like, besides the marination. Like, that's how quick this meal is. If you love barbecue, you're going to love this. And that's it. Thank you for watching my video, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.